What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video, and today we're looking at the Jordan 4 Black Cats. Now, this shoe is releasing on November 28th for $220, and this shoe is definitely dope. And I believe this is going to sell out. The squeaky shoes, the squeaky Black Cat shoes. I know y'all seen the episode of SpongeBob with the squeaky. Yeah, I guess that's gonna be me, but they do got a little squeak to them. But I mean, is that a no for me? Nah, I guess I'm gonna be squeaking with my Black Cat 4s because I love these. So it's like the material they use of these, the shoe lids right here and everything like this. So I got the last Black Cat, and at the end when I get done reviewing this shoe, I'm gonna show you the comparison of the last. I believe the last Black Cat released in 2020. Now we got the 2025 version, and we're gonna see the difference of them and everything. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this shoe. But first, let's check out the box. We do have the black paint splatter box, which is pretty dope. I'm really liking this box. And you can see like the Jordan Flight in front of the box right here. Then as you open it, just a regular paper, regular black box. But the box is pretty dope. It's different from the last box. I like how they add like more details. Y'all know me, I love the little small details. So the Black Cats, they named after Michael Jordan. And y'all know they used to call him Black Cat because that boy was that boy was crazy on the court. Y'all already know. Shout out to MJ. But they used to be his nickname, Michael Jordan. This is where they got the Black Cat from. As for the shoe, we got the black on black. Y'all see even the eyelids, we got that glossy black on the shoe eyelids, as y'all can see right here. Got that icy black. Now we got that charcoal black, more like a darker gray on the Jordan, and on the tongue, Jordan Flight, as y'all can see. Also on the back of the tongue, we got the Air Jordan, also in black. And the back of the shoe, y'all see we got the Nike Air. Love that detail, the Nike Air they put on the back of the Jordan. Bottom sole, we got the same glossy black on the bottom sole, and we got the Nike Air right here on the bottom of the shoe. Nike Air, as y'all can see, black on the bottom. And this black is definitely dope. This is a different black from the 2020 version, and I can bring out the 2020 version. I know I've been wearing mine like crazy, but as we compare the two, as y'all can see, it's that different type of black. It's more like a charcoal type black, if y'all can see. Let me see if I can compare it. See, the top is the new 2025 version, and the bottom is, y'all can see, is the 2020 version. So as y'all can see, it's a different type of black. As y'all can see on the back of the shoe too, is that Jordan on the back. Now we got that Nike Air. Yeah, but me personally, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really liking the 2025 version over that black. But it's just something about this type black. It's just, I don't know, it's more settled. It's like a more settled black to me. I'm not sure, but true to size, I got 10.5 in them, so y'all definitely go true to size on these. Like I said, this is a dope shoe. I'm loving them. I'm gonna be rocking these like crazy. My birthday is Monday on the 24th, so these came just in time for my birthday outfit. So y'all gonna see my birthday outfit in this video, because stay to the end, y'all. Got some outfits, styling these, and on foot review at the end of this video, so I can see them on foot, and some outfits I throw with them. Y'all know me, I like to style my Jordan, so get you some little outfit inspo. If you haven't already, definitely download my ebook in the description below. If y'all having trouble wearing your wardrobe and going to fall, I got you covered. Get that ebook, and don't forget to follow my Instagram and TikTok. I know I do videos on there. And if you're new to the channel, thank y'all for watching this whole video. Special upcoming outfits for y'all, so y'all stay tuned. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me. Comment below what's your favorite outfit. Y'all copying these? What y'all think about the price point? What y'all think about the shoes? Are these better than the 2020? Let me know all in the section below. Y'all know we like to chop it up in the comments. DM me. And hey, I just appreciate all the love, support. Thank y'all for watching this video. Now, we did the review of the shoes. It's time to jump into these outfits. So check them out. Hit the subscribe, grab your popcorn, check them out, write down, take notes, whatever you need to do. Any questions, you know, I got them for y'all. So I thank y'all once again. Love y'all. Thank y'all support. Thanks, J Fam. Let's get to that 20K, and I'll see you on this video. Peace. I'm out.
NT, you made this?